Distressed Text Effect Photoshop. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening Adobe Photoshop and creating a new document with a white background. Once the document is ready, select the horizontal type tool, also known as the T key shortcut, from the toolbar. Set the text color to black so the effect remains clearly visible against the white background. Click on the canvas and type the text you want to transform. After entering the text, right-click the text layer in the Layers panel and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, go to Filter, then Distort, and select Ripple. In the Ripple settings, set the amount value to 50%. Choose Medium for the size option, and click OK to apply the effect. Continue by opening Filter, then Blur Gallery, and selecting Iris Blur. Adjust the blur settings according to your preference and apply the effect when satisfied. Afterward, unlock the background layer by clicking the padlock icon beside it. Select both the text layer and the background layer, then merge them together using Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on Mac. With the merged layer selected, go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Inside the gallery, open the Sketch category and select Torn Edges. Set Image Balance to 25, Smoothness to 10, and Contrast to 20. Next, click the new Effect Layer icon to add another filter effect. Open the Distort category and select Glass. Set the Texture option to Canvas. Change Distortion to 5, and set Smoothness to 8. Click OK to apply all filter settings and return to the document. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button and choose Gradient Map. When the Gradient Map properties appear, enable the Reverse option to invert the tonal mapping. Finally, review the completed distressed text effect and examine the texture, edges, and overall appearance. If necessary, make minor adjustments to enhance the result and achieve the exact distressed style you want for your design project.